what's up, what's up, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Daisy Flower Girl. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Oh, yeah. And today I have empanadas. My sister made some good empanadas. And I have white cheese sauce. And I have the salsa, the green salsa to go with it, the Verde salsa, I think it's called. And I also have to drink core water. Oh, yeah. And I have white rice. You probably can't see it right here. But, of course, let's get a close look. I also have plantains as well. So this is basically a Hispanic dish. And I wanted to show you guys how it looked. It's fried to perfection. It has chicken, ground chicken in it, and shrimp. So I can't wait to taste it because she never made it with shrimp and ground chicken. So she never made it with seafood, period, at all. So I'm so excited to taste it. I haven't ate all day. So I am going to say my grace and dig in. You guys, let's get to it. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive and the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen. Amen. So hopefully you guys are eating with me and you have something to eat. And I hope you had a wonderful day. I did, and I'm definitely going to dig in. And this is with the white cheese sauce. Take a bite. You know, I always share the first bite. Mmm. 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 That is so good. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. You guys, this is so good. This is the inside of it. Mm. Ground chicken and shrimp. Mm. Mm. And then I have the white rice to go with it. It's so yummy. Mm. And I have the plantains. Homemade plantains. Fried to perfection. Mm. I'm also going to try the empanada in the salsa. Look at that. Take a bite. Mmm. So yummy. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. You guys, I hope you had a wonderful day. And if you did not have a good day, hopefully you will move forward. Don't let nothing stop you. Keep pushing. And remember, tomorrow is a new day. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, the shrimp. Mmm. And the rice is jasmine rice. You can't just get any rice to go with this. And jasmine rice is so good. Mmm. Mmm. The shrimp in this. Oh my God, you guys. Mmm. 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 This is so delicious. Mmm. Hands down to my sister. She did this one. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. And this jasmine rice is so delicious. It's like it just go well with it. And are you guys ready for the summer? Oh, yeah. I know I'm so ready. I'm ready to like just feel the weather. I'm ready to travel and whatever, just whatever goes. Mm. Core water, baby. Mm. Mm. That's really good. I like this. First time trying it too. The bottle is so cute. Yes. So these are delicious. Like, it's very easy to make. Well, I won't say that because it takes patience. You have to know how to do them. Like, it's not easy. I take that back. But this is so delicious. I'm trying another one with the cheese sauce. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good, you guys. You don't understand. You can't get my sister to cook like that, empanadas and stuff. She don't do this every day. So, when you get her to do it, it's something very special. Like, for real, for real. Mmm. It's so good. You guys, please comment below and let me know what you think. Share this video and subscribe. Also hit my notification bell so you know each and every time I do come on. And comment below and let me know what you want my next video to be on. I like, to hear your feedback on which one I should do next. Mmm. Mmm. Plantain. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. My old subbies and my new subbies. You guys are getting me to 1K. I appreciate you guys so much. The support, the love, the feedback. Just motivating me, myself, and you're getting me to 1K. I really appreciate it. I'm getting closer and closer. This is just like a feeling that I can't really describe, but I really do appreciate you guys so much. And I thank you. Mmm. Mmm. It's so crunchy. Mmm. Mmm. Jasmine rice. Mmm. 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 Look how nice and pretty it is. Mmm. Mmm. I gotta look at it though before I bite it. It's just so good. Mm. With this cheese sauce, it is the bomb.com. You guys, this right here, you should take a bite. I'm telling you, this is so good. Like, I'm telling you right now, this right here make you want to smack your mama, your sister, and your daddy. Like, for real, it's that good. Mmm. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, this and the rice.
Don't say my sister though. Ha!
She's silly, bruh. For real. Popping up on my video and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause she cooked for, you know, me and my nieces tonight, you know? I wasn't expecting all this. So good. It's so good. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. 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 You guys, if you're just not coming to my page, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I do come on. Please comment below. Always, you can contact me. My contact information, my Instagram, it will be at the bottom. Follow me on Instagram. Oh, excuse me. Please share this video with everybody on every social media front page. It doesn't matter. But until next time, you guys, I love you guys so much. And until next time, I love you. Bye. Bye.